Hello friend, once again welcome on board to my channel, and today I'm going to discuss about the CFM LEAP-1A engine component location of Airbus 320 family. And this is also asked by the so many people, can you share some photos of component location? So I thought I will use some manual documents, but again after thinking a lot I thought I will make my own self, and finally I this is ready for you guys. And sit back, relax, watch this video till end to know about the component. I have tried to adjust my slide to visualize all the component as much as possible. And don't forget to hit and like and subscribe button to get more video on Airbus 320 family. So let's start with the CFM LEAP engine component location of Airbus 320 family. So generally, if you'll talk about the left side of the engine, so this is your left side of the engine. And initially, if you'll talk about external surface, so this is your cowl loss prevention system flag. Here you'll find out that flag, which will open once you are opening first latch, L1 latch 1. Once you are opening, that is interlinked with the coaxial shaft to the cowl loss prevention system flag. Then this flag will open, which will indicate fan cowl is not locked properly. So this is a physical indication to know about the fan cowl is locked or not. And in this is your fan cowl. Complete this assembly is fan cowl assembly. This is your inlet lip, inlet cowl you can say. And this is your thrust reverser portion. This half of the portion is thrust reverser portion. Here you will find out there is small access door for interphone jack system. Whenever you are doing some maintenance on engine, you need some leak check or dry mode. During dry motoring, you can use a headset. You can use headset here for communication with the cockpit. And this is your manual override asset door whenever you require to start the engine manually due to failure of a starter air valve. And this is your hoist point. There is a 2 point. This is CDL item. If it is missing, you have to make an entry for CDL configuration deviation list, and you have to install the blanking as a part of maintenance manual. And this is your pin receptacle for inlet cover. Once you are putting some inlet cover, then there will be the some pin which will engage it here. So this is a pin receptacle. And this is your rack just for aerodynamic smoothness, preventing the disturbance and turbulence of air between the wing and engine area. So let's go with the next slide. This is your engine front area. There will be you'll find out there is a T12 sensor, and these all are fan blade. You can see this is a these all are fan blade, and there is a abradable liner in tip of the fan blade. You'll find out the abradable liner just prevent the damage to the structure. It's just like rubberized material. And this is your acoustic shroud. This black color is acoustic shroud. All the acoustic, this is also acoustic panel only just to prevent the noise into the inlet areas. So you can say noise reduction system. So there will the forward acoustic panel, after acoustic panel just behind the abradable panel. And this is your in between the fan blade. You will find out the fan blade platform. Then again, if you'll go, as I told you, this is acoustic shroud, fan blade, abradable liner, platform of the fan blade. This is your front spinner. This is your fan blade platform. Already we have covered. And this is your thrust reverser cowl door opening actuator. Whenever you are using pump, you will connect here, so actuator will give support while opening. Make sure the slat is retracted position before opening the cowl. This is your TR hold open rod just to support externally with the fan case. And rest all component will go to the next slide. So this is very good presentation, and I have taken a lot of time to make it ready, and now it is ready for you guys. And this will be very helpful whenever you are going to work on aircraft. You can identify the component with this also. Either you can see the placard marking available on to the component also, but once you are using your hand, it will be easy for you. So this is your pressure hose, and there is a pressure switch for hydraulic, and same will be connected to the pylon area. and there is a suction hose. Suction hose is having QAD. That QAD also will connected with the pylon area. If you will come to the bottom, there is a case drain filter, and then EDP, engine driven pump, then starter air valve, then pneumatic air starter. EDP line, you will see there is a two lines, one is thin, one is thick. So thin line will be always pressure line and thick line will be always suction line. Just keep in mind anywhere if you are talking about oil tank, fuel tank, thin line will be always pressure line and thick line will be always suction line. So this is good to know information about this. And then you can see there is a another component, the starter air duct. IDG feeder cable is there. This will also go to the fan area. So this is your IDG oil cooler, and this is your fuel metering unit. And here you'll find out main heat exchanger cools the engine supply oil with the fuel. So this is your main heat exchanger. Top of that there is a servo fuel heater, heats the fuel with the oil supply line. And this is your case drain line. This will also connect to the pylon. And this is your fuel main line. This is your fuel main line. So this is your fuel pump. And if you'll go further, here you'll find out split control unit servo valve assembly. And this is your exhaust rear plug. This is the center vent tube, exhaust rear plug. Then it will come exhaust nozzle. Educator valve will come here. LPTAC, HPTAC. This is your low pressure turbine active clearance control valve, high pressure turbine active clearance control valve for cooling your HPTAC manifold and LPTAC manifold. And this is raft mount. Here you will find out forward mount also. And here is a fuel filter assembly. You will find out on the fuel filter assembly there is a differential pressure transducer. In other video we'll discuss about the transducer and pressure switch differences, what is the difference. And transfer gearbox is here. Here is a transfer gearbox. So this is a transfer gearbox. So another, we have covered this fuel metering also. We have N2 sensor. N2 sensor, if you'll go bottom side of the engine, you'll find out the N2 sensor or the transfer gearbox. So this is a permanent magnet alternator. This is your lube unit, and this is your fan drain mast. This is your accessory gearbox. This is your IDG. This is your main fuel pump. Now if you'll go to the right side of the CFM LEAP engine component, so we'll just go first externally. So same whatever on the left side externally, you'll find out the right side also, but there is some additional item. So we'll just cover this pylon fairing. Is this all our pylon fairing? This is your TR cowl, and this is your air inlet cowl area complete. And this is your fan cowl. This complete area is fan cowl. And EC cooling vent blanking. There is a EC cooling and blower fan inside of the fan, but right now this engine doesn't have, so there is a blanking for that. This is your oil access door for oil servicing. This is your piping receptacle for inlet cover. This is your hoist point, already you have discussed. This is your anti-ice access door for nozzle. In case of tip replacement requirement, you have to get access from here. This is a nacelle anti-ice exit hole. After doing anti-ice of the inlet lip area, hot air will exit from this 11 holes. So this is the right side external component. Then we'll go to the inside. If you are opening the fan cowl, you will find out there is a 2 EC as compared to other engine. You will find out single EC with channel A, channel B, but in LEAP engine this is having two part. So top one is EC channel A, bottom was EC channel B. This is your PSS box, pressure subsystem box, and in this lot of connection are there: PS12, P3B, P0, PS3, and there will be the rating plug also. So there will be the rating plug also. Rating plug always having different part number, because if you are going to use same engine with like 320 engine, you are going to install on 321, then a rating plug will be different. what I feel. So rating plug, same engine cannot, it's just simply same engine. If you are using on the 321, you have to replace the rating plug. You have to get new rating plug from the store. This is a oil debris monitoring system. This is a oil debris monitoring system sensor, and this is a nasal anti-ice duct. This is your oil tank. This is your side gauge. Here you'll find out the oil level sensor, oil filler cap for oil servicing, oil fill drain pipe. There will be connected with the forward drain mask. So this is just general idea about the right fan cowl engine component location. Your So this is your left side of the core area. We'll just go through quickly about this also. So we'll cover left side area. So here you'll find out forward is PRSOV2, rear you'll find out PRSOV1. This already you have covered HPTAC, LPTAC, and hectic clearance control ducts. These all are LPTAC cooling manifold, and EGT probe. You'll find out there is a EGT probe. There will be the 8 EGT probes surrounding the engine, and this is your fuel nozzle. You'll find out 19 fuel nozzle surrounding inside of the core area. This is your fire loop, core fire loop, HPTAC manifold. This inside is HPTAC manifold. There is a SBs for inspection of HPTAC. This is a split control unit and servo wall assembly. This complete component. This is your VBB actuator. So I think in this we have only this many components, and here you'll find out there is a access for the fire bottle panel. This is just cooling hole vent, so that air will go inside of the pylon area. And this area is also, this is your heat blankets for cowl, because this is complete portion is cold, so just protect the composite structure. There is the heat blankings. This is your exhaust nozzle. Forward is exhaust nozzle. This is your exhaust front plug. This is your exhaust rear plug. This is your CVT center vent tube, and this is your core drain mast. If you'll go to the right side of the core area, then we'll just go from the rear. These all are cooling manifold, as we discussed on the left. This is your 10-stage compressor discharge air. So from here there is a 10 stage of air will discharge through this. And if you will go EGT probe, already we have covered. So here also you can see 2 EGT probe, one more you can see this side. And this is your HPT manifold, clear view HPT manifold. If there is a lot of restriction in HPT manifold. This is your start bleed valve and booster anti-ice valve. Regarding this already I have discussed in another YouTube video. And this is a transient bleed valve, and this is a pressure regulating valve. This is your HP valve. Sometimes people are confused what is which one is a PRV, which one is HP. Either you check with the part number, you can identify which is PRV, which is HP. But I will tell physical way. HP, high pressure valve. So if HP, just consider H mean H, high means just you can consider top. So the placarding of the part number will be on the top of this. If you go to the PRV, placarding of the part number, serial number detail on the sidewise. So this is on the top, this is on the sidewise. So this is just general physical identification, which is PRV, which is HB. Here you will find out the check valve, and this is your reverse bleed, which is coming new modification. For this also I have uploaded separate video. And this is a reverse bleed blower fan and necessary duct. This is a reverse bleed valve, and another. And fuel nozzle also, you can see there is a lot of fuel nozzle. There are total 19 fuel nozzle in the core area. So this is the area where you can find out the fan air valve inspection rod. Sometimes rod will broken, you will find out bleed fault, so you can check that rod condition from that particular panel. So guys, hope you love this video and you like this all the component location, and hope this is very useful for you guys. And if you really love this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for getting more video on Airbus 320 family. And you can share with your friend also, whoever interested for Airbus 320 family information.